looks like it's a steam train actually. So comes in, stays here for an hour at Tunbridge, and then leave about 2:15, I believe. So I'm hoping to go on that, and then I think we'll come back on a diesel train. I'm not sure, I've got my mics today, so I'm not sure how well the sound is, but hopefully it comes out alright. But I'm sure you'll enjoy the view and the pictures and the video. If you're not already, please subscribe. A lot of people are watching but not subscribing. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it will help me build my channel, and then I can get out a bit more and do some more video for you. And people who can't get out, you know, helps you see different places. And I'll try and film or try and go to Scotland. But anyway, I'll let you enjoy this. Lovely sight.